Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable Google Workspace on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. First of all, log into Gemini AI if you already have not. Well, I have already logged in and this is the homepage of Gemini. Now what I need to do is click on this menu bar. If you have not already clicked on it, I recommend you guys to click on it to expand the menu bar. Now there are lots of things here: new chats, recents, help, activities, settings. But for now, we need to focus on the settings. So let us click on the settings. From here, we need to go to the extensions. Let's click on this extensions button. Now if we scroll down, there are lots of things like Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, and Google Workspace. As you can see, I have already turned it on, but in case you have not, it will look something like this. So let's just toggle on the button, connect, and there you have it. You have connected to your Google Workspace. So let me show you guys a demo of how you can access the Google Workspace on Gemini. I'm gonna start a new chat. And I have written a prompt something like this. Let us submit this prompt. And as you can see, I have received a good response from this prompt. I only have one file in my Google Drive and it showed exactly that. You can also summarize the files. You can also check the emails right here on Gemini AI. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. And for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.